Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video about installing a Turbosmart blow-off valve. I've had a couple of questions asking me which type I've got, and like, do you need to install a new vacuum line? So yeah, there's two types of a blow-off valve from Turbosmart for the 1 litre Ecoboost, Focus and Fiesta. The first one is the uprated recirculating valve, which is around usually 100 quid. The second one is the compact dual port valve, which is the one I've got. There's the part number. That was about 140 quid, so it's slightly dearer. But if you like the blow-off noise around about 4,000 revs, well, it's best to purchase that one, which one I've got. Yeah, so the important thing is I was going to install it myself, but I was unsure if I had to install a new vacuum line. Watched a couple of videos on YouTube about people installing them on the 1 litre Ecoboost Fiestas. As I couldn't find a video for my car about people installing on the 1 litre Ecoboost Focus, and every video I was watching, they were cutting into a pipe. I think it was maybe that pipe there, I think it was on the videos. Yeah, they were cutting into that pipe to run a new vacuum line, which is provided in the box. I think the reason was the OEM line was too quiet and it didn't give enough sound off, I think chatter sound, I think it was. So the compact dual port I purchased came with a new line in the box. So it came with a new line, all the clips, and there's the plastic T-piece which they cut in that pipe, and then they connect it all together with the T-piece, and then they'll run the new line from there to the head of the blow-off valve, which is down there. So I wasn't sure whether to do it myself or not, so I took it to my local garage where I always take all my cars, just get stuff done if I'm not sure, and asked them to fit it professionally, as I didn't want to cut something, cause a fault, or damage a pipe, then it cost me to replace the pipe. So luckily I did that, because they informed me that I didn't have to cut an hole in the pipe there. I didn't have to do that. All I had to do was run it from the OEM vacuum line, which is this one here. So it runs down there, clips on there, and goes to the top of the head of the compact dual port blow-off valve. So I don't know if you only need to run a new vacuum line for a Fiesta 1 litre Ecoboost, if it's on that model, or if it's just for the uprated recirculation valve. I'm not sure. I don't know if anyone watching this knows. If you do know, just leave a comment in the below if you know. Yeah, so I don't know why he put a line in there in the compact dual port, but it must be for the Fiestas, I think. But like I say, if you know what the answer is, just let us know. Yeah, so if you are installing a dual port, just check with your local garage before you start cutting anything, if you can run it off the OEM vacuum line, or you do have to cut that into there and run a T-piece with a new vacuum line. But I get the feeling that it's probably for the Fiestas. But yeah, just to let you know, important information about before you start cutting anything. If you have bought a Turbosmart blow-off valve, I don't think you need to do it for the 1 litre Ecoboost Focus. You might already know that, you might not, but like I say, I was getting a couple of questions about it. So yeah, just like, comment and subscribe if you found it helpful. Yeah, any questions, leave them in the comment box. All right, cheers, bye.